Nippattu is a spicy Karnataka snack which is perfect to have with evening tea. Normally it is deep fried, but today I'm going to show you a healthy version of it, that is a baked nippattu. So first let's dry roast some red chilies and some curry leaves. Now into a blender add this red chilies and curry leaves, add some roasted Channa Dal, peanuts and some flour. Now you just have to pulse this mix. Once it is coarsely ground, take that into a bowl. Now into this powder mix add some salt. Now add in some semolina. If you have very fine semolina, you can use that, or else take the normal semolina and grind it really well and make that into a powder and then add it into this mix. Now take some hot oil, add some asafoetida into the oil. Now pour this hot oil directly into the powder and mix it. When the mixture is warm enough to touch, mix it using your hands and try to make a ball out of it. If it's not coming together like this, then add more oil and mix it. Then add some water little by little and make this entire mixture into a dough. Now make this into a bit stiff dough, and I'm dividing this dough into two parts so that it will be easy for me to roll it out. Don't roll it too thin, keep it slightly thick, and using a cookie cutter you can cut out the shapes. Normally nippattus are round in shape, so here I used a round cookie cutter. Now carefully remove the excess from the sides, and these excess mixture you can make it into a dough again, roll it out and again cut out the nippattus. Now here I placed it in a baking tray and baked this on a 180-degree preheated oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until it becomes crispy. Now slowly transfer it onto a wire rack and allow it to cool down completely. And once it cools, our nippattus are ready. These baked nippattus are spicy, crispy and very delicious. So definitely try out this Karnataka special evening snack, nippattus. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Greypot and watch more amazing videos from our channel. Do check it out. Thank you.